Okay, so today I'm making the Mokihana Lei for the island of Kauai. These are the Mokihana berries, and this is what you use to make this lei. So what you want to start by doing is just picking off all of the stems on this, because this lei is a kui, and so you have to poke the needle through the plants, and having a stem just makes it harder to do that. So the Mokihana plant grows only on Kauai, and this is why it was so hard for me to get any of these fruit, because we had to actually ask a friend from Kauai who is up in Kokee, and then she had to send them to us. It was a lot of work. So Mokihana lives in a wet forest, as I said, only on Kauai, and it sort of smells, if you smell the berries or if you crush the leaves, it smells like licorice. So there's other plants related to Mokihana on other islands, but the Kauai Mokihana is the only one that's really the Mokihana plant. So right now, this is pretty simple lei to make. All you have to do is stick the needle that you have, which should be kind of a skinnier with a really nice fine tipped needle, and then you want to just try and get it into the middle, as middle as you can get, and then you just push it up, and then you can line them up like that, and then eventually you'll attach the string and then string them on. So I'll show again, just poking it right through. It's kind of hard to find exactly the middle, but you should be able to get it through the middle. Yeah, and sometimes what happens is it splits like that, just because it's a seed. So I mean, like, it's sort of like a seed, so it will open eventually and like let its seeds out everywhere. So it kind of just tends to do that, and it's okay because it won't like fall off. Oh, that one was good. Now I'm just stringing this just string through the eye of the needle right there, and then I can actually start putting the berries onto the string. Like that. Then you can just make sure that this doesn't come out, but then you just can keep on stringing on berries. That one kind of missed the center. So I'm just tying on a stopper for the end of the lei, just a little bit of fern. I'm just tying like a regular knot. And you
That's fine.
And then you can actually tie the actual lei. Well, first what you have to do is, see this stopper is kind of farther up, so you have to push down everything so it's like right up against it. Like that. Push down all the berries. And then we can tie it up actually around your neck. And with this type of lei, the Mokihana berries kind of can have an effect on people's like skin if it just is in contact with the skin, and it can make you kind of like itchy. And so what you want to do is, when you wear it, you want to have something so it's not just like leaning right against your neck. So when a Mokihana dries, the berries actually still maintain their smell. So a lot of people like to just keep the lei like way later because it actually makes your room like smell good if you leave it in your room for a while, because it's just like the same smell when it's dried.